Sonya Eckel here. And if you have been potentially considering adding another stream of income to your family, maybe you love the Norwex products and you've been looking at whether or not to open a Norwex consultant account, September may very well be one of the best times to get started. So not only is it a join for free month this month, that there is a kit where you can literally get started, free kit. You just cover the $9.95 shipping and you have yourself a Norwex account completely risk-free. And with that, you gain all the perks of being a consultant, including 35% discount on your own purchases and the ability to earn 35% on all of your retail sales. So I can say that as a Norwex consultant for just over 15 years, this has been such an incredible blessing to our family. So let me walk you through what's happening in September, including something that has never been offered before. So I'm coming to that, but let's start by looking at the joining kit options. So in September, you have 4 options. The first option is, of course, our standard kit, which is amazing. It comes with my favorite cleaning product in the catalog, which is the mop. And then, of course, the rubber brush, our top 5 sellers, the Safe Haven 5, the face and body cloths. Like, this kit is incredible. Now, the way this works is you pay $9.95 in shipping. So under $10 shipping, they ship it to you. They give you 30 days to have 1,000 in retail sales, or 90 days to have 2,000 in retail sales. Or should you not meet one of those, then you pay $200 for the kit. So awesome. I love our standard kit. However, in September, you have 3 completely risk-free options to get started and also earn the full starter kit. So let me walk you through those. First of all, in September, there is the join for free option, which is going to get you sets of 3 of our top sellers to give out as samples to friends and family who maybe haven't had the chance to try Norwex yet. This is a free kit. You simply cover the $9.95 shipping, and it opens your consultant account. And with that, of course, you get your 35% discount and the ability to earn 35% on your retail sales. This is amazing. All right. Now, also, you have the skincare starter kit. I am obsessed with the new Norwex skincare. Their eye cream, their night cream, their bakuchiol serum. I am telling you what, I've seen dramatic improvements. So again, if nothing else, you're absolutely going to love having that consultant discount to make sure that you can Norwex your own home. Then there is the Safe Haven 5 starter kit for just $87. This gets you our top 5 sellers. Enviro cloth, that's your everything cloth. You'll use it to clean virtually every surface in your home with just water. Its best friend, the window cloth, the dusting mitt, amazing. And then the laundry detergent, Ultra Power Plus powder, and the upgraded power cleaning paste, which is even better. I know we didn't think that was possible, but even better than our original cleaning paste. So you choose one of these kits. You can go with the free kit, you can do skincare, you can do the Safe Haven 5, or if you want, you can do the starter kit and just earn it for free. If not, you'll pay $200 for that. Okay. So when you sign up, if you're working with a consultant, you're going to want to make sure to get his or her joining link. If you are working with me as your sponsor and mentor, I'll be delighted to help you on your Norwex journey. And my joining link is joinwithsonya.com. You can see it right there. Joinwithsonya, SONYA.com. All right. Now, when you sign up, you're going to go to the sign up link. You're going to choose your starter kit. You have a one-time opportunity to do a kit upgrade, either silver, gold, or platinum. These are completely optional, but they're an awesome deal because not only do you get your consultant 35% off a bunch of our top sellers, but in addition, you get another 10% off. So pretty cool. And those are optional. And then I would recommend you opt in for text messages. And I would really suggest that you do opt in for the 60 days free of Office Suite, because that's what allows you as a consultant to set up an ordering link that you can send out to friends and family, set up a joining link and all that. So these are the kit options. Now I'm going to walk you through some of the other perks happening this month. And I don't know how many of you love travel. I really love travel. We were recently planning a family vacation, and we were shocked at how expensive travel has gotten. And so when Norwex announced the opportunity for new consultants to earn a free trip, I was like, this is incredible. So let me show you this. So when you join as a consultant, so you open your consultant account with one of those 4 kits, and you get started, you have the opportunity in September and October. This is a 2-month trip incentive, 2 months, and it is so doable to earn a trip to Nashville, Scottsdale, Arizona, Denver, Colorado, or Quebec City up in Canada. And it's, like I said, it's so achievable. When I started Norwex, I knew everybody needed these products in their home. Like, that's kind of a no-brainer. But I also knew that a lot of my friends, like myself, were looking for some added income, but we wanted something that we could do from home. And so I invited some of my friends. I was like, hey, do you want to do this with me? And some of them were crazy enough to say yes. And so we've had the privilege of building our businesses together, which has been insanely fun. And we've had the privilege of being able to earn trips and travel together. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, how fun would it be for someone to get started, invite a few of their besties to get started with them, and potentially all earn this trip. All right. So this is a 2-month incentive, and you can earn a 2-night stay at one of these locations for you. And then you qualify for that by building your team and inviting others to join your team and do this with you. And then when you can also earn $300 airfare travel credit. So that could cover maybe part of your flight or your gas if you're driving. Nothing like a car trip, right? So this trip is awesome. And I just wanted to be sure you knew you can start for free if you want, completely risk-free. Give it a try, and you can earn this trip where your hotel and your local transportation are covered. It's going to be amazing, and I am beyond excited. All right. So another thing as a new consultant that you get access to is what's called the Bright Start program. And this is optional, but why leave free Norwex on the table, right? Amen. So this is the Bright Start. When you get started, then in your first 15 days, when you submit 400 in retail sales, so at 35% off, that's about $260 plus your tax and shipping. But 400 in retail sales in your first 15 days, you get that beautiful Bright Start package right here. It's worth about $150, has several of my favorites in it. And I love, you just can get it for free. I love that. And then should you submit 1,000 in retail sales in your first 30 days or 2,000 in your first 90 days, you can earn that full starter kit for free. Even if you started with the risk-free packages, one of the kits that's risk-free, you can still earn the full starter kit for free. I love how generous Norwex is. They have always blown me away and far exceeded my expectations. And then you can earn more free Norwex and more free Norwex and more free Norwex. It just goes on and on. So if you have a lot of things that you would love to have in your home from Norwex, this is a great way to get it while sharing with others and potentially earning extra money for you and your family. All right, so that's the scoop in September. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Again, if you're working with a consultant, you're going to want to connect with that person and get his or her link. And if you'd like to join with me as your sponsor and your mentor, I would be so honored. And my joining link is joinwithsonya.com. Be sure, if this was helpful, hit the like button, follow for more Norwex updates, and I hope you have an amazing September.